And we can.
Hey y'all, it's Jibby and welcome back to my channel. This video kicks off the 4-week summer snatch challenge. This challenge will include abs work, booty work, arm work, and lower body. We're doing some cardio HIIT workouts as well as toning exercises to snatch that full body. I have been loving all of your progress updates. You guys are doing such an amazing job. Keep it up. And if you're new to the fam, tag me on Instagram, hashtag Studio Jibby challenge, or even make a video like these guys did so I can keep up with your progress. Today we are going to be working on our upper body and core, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's get to it. We've got 10 exercises, 60 seconds of work, and 10 seconds of rest. We'll start with the inchworm. Hinge at the hips, walking your hands out to the plank position, and then walk your hands back to standing. We're halfway through this first exercise.
Yeah. Better off, better off. I am wicked, you're insane. But I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance.
Next, we'll have a 10-second rest.
Perfect match, pulling punches. We're toe to toe, we're always on the road.
We're taking it up a notch from our warm-up and doing full-on burpees.
Stop, we can't stop us together.
The modified version is to take out the jump and do a calf raise.
Better off, better off.
We're halfway through this move. Keep it up. We really want to get our blood pumping as we begin this exercise.
So good inside when I hear that music. It gets me on my feet, makes me wanna dance all night. Don't make me remember everything you did, 'cause I don't wanna hurt inside.
Great work. We've now got a 10-second rest.
Feel it in my feet, and it feels so good inside.
Next up is a bear hold with a shoulder tap, keeping your knees a couple inches off the ground.
I close my eyes and all the troubles.
This move will really engage your arms as well as your core. Make sure to keep your hips stable, rocking back and forth as little as possible. The modification is to keep your knees down, engaging your core while you shoulder tap.
Gonna make my head forget your name. Tonight I'm gonna dance the pain away. Forget your name. Oh yeah, feel it in my body,
We're halfway through this move.
and it feels so good inside. Don't need anybody, I just need the beat. I just wanna dance all night. I don't want to remember everything you did. I'm done with the hurt inside. Feel it in my body, feel it in my feet, and it feels so good inside. And I always wanna feel like
Next up is the diagonal crunch to toe tap.
those minds and all my troubles fade away. Your whispers get so deep in.
Alternate sides and breathe through this motion. You're already a third of the way through this workout. Way to go. Keep pushing through.
About you, baby. Gonna make my head forget your name. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna dance the pain away. Forget your name. Gonna make myself forget about you, baby. Oh, gonna make my head forget your name. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna
Now we've got a 10-second rest.
Yeah, yeah.
Next is the reverse plank dip tuck. Alternate tucking in your knees as you dip to engage your triceps and your core. The modification is to take out the dip and holding that plank strong at the top. You're over halfway through this workout. Keep it up. Check in with yourself and remember your why. What brought you here today? Hold on to that truth and keep pushing through. Now we've got the Superman to push up. The modification is to keep your knees down as you push up. Whew, way to kick butt, you guys. You're doing an awesome job. Don't let up now. Now we've got the rolling side plank. The modification is to keep your knees down as you roll. Remember to keep your core engaged here and your hips down. You're 2/3 of the way done with this workout. Only 3 minutes left. Now we've got a 10-second rest. Our second to last move is the bicycle press. Engage your arms and your back as you bicycle with your legs and press up with your arms. This move is all about stability and strength. Are you challenging yourself? Push yourself to make it through a whole move without pausing, or take it to the next step beyond the modification. Whatever is a challenge for you. We want to push beyond our comfort zone. Our last move is the plank arm raise to row. Alternate lifting each arm and then pull to row. You can hold a low plank for the modification and go down on your knees. Way to go, you're almost through the last move of this workout. Great work today. Comment below to let me know if you made it through the whole workout. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with my latest videos. See you at the next workout.